Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reds for Daddy Reds Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, Queen Ifrica wants to talk some things. You know what to do: like, comment, subscribe, share. Show that you care. Talking News is here. That's right. I said let me post this because I don't really want to keep going on and on with this stuff, but sometimes you have to give it to the people. All right, Queen Ifrica is going to come out and talk about them fishy artists, so-called artists, whatever you want to call them fish people. All right? All I have to say is fire burn them, lava. All right, Queen, take it away and hit on some other issues as well, politics, etc. Bless.
All of these new youths sell out with culture. Take side with the LGBTQ community in Jamaica and well empowered and a move nice and sweet. Cause them know say no one can talk to them. And artists like we there in with natural self. What we say we there in with natural normal self align with the atom same way we not deter. Then call we dinosaur. That's why I put on my lesbian blouse. Because this is the strength of woman in a Jamaica now, the tiger print here. Nadine Spence. You need to call me if you are the president of Women Affairs in a Jamaica. You're supposed to hear about a Queen Ifrica and know what a Queen Ifrica do in a music business. Nadine Spence. The little brother up a Jamaican for Justice who jumped the gun the other day. And come and talk, say my talk on behalf of Rasta. Tell the people the truth so you're not talking on behalf of no Rasta. But you're using Rasta struggles to piggyback your gay agenda. And to put it on the Jamaican people and have normal people for if we in a them regular sense. We really and truly know say there's a terrible discrimination against in this country of it true. You know I come use that now and I use the advocates them to be the face of Rasta struggle. You can fool some people sometime, but you can't fool all the people all the time. The PNP government was in power when I went to the Grand Gala and reminded young Jamaican people that we are a special people and that the fact that we are willing to stand in the tenets of the Almighty is wonderful. The Labour right government win after that and said them is going to make things right. We noticed the question didn't even ask in the debate as to the way forward with the LGBTQ community out here. Nadine Spence again, we need to talk about our young people them wanna advocate for out there and a throw stone for. Why are you so interested in our young people them? And have them a call elders hall and figure sit down one side, me and watch you interview them. What happened? What happened since I went to the Grand Gala? That young people don't want to see us anymore. Is ready, we not ready for address Proto J and Chronix and Leela Ike and Janine and Savannah them yet. Is ready, we not ready for address Proto J and Chronix and Leela Ike and Janine and Savannah them yet. Already we not ready to address them yet. To ask them is who did make them as popular them are as them are. Bunty. If it wasn't the people of this country, or probably it wasn't, was it? Was it really Jamaicans who made you guys popular? That's another topic of discussion. The item must allow these truth to be in the space to man. Yes, Peter Chambers might be a little ignorant in how him disperse him message from him God. But at least give him the benefit of the doubt by looking at what he's saying. And the fact that all of his, I don't know about the Peter them, the Andrew them part, like him calling them names. But for the most part, the man he predict a 3 earthquake and a 3 earthquake shake. Never predict him say God said them a go shake. Him a go shake because God want Jamaica people to not vote in the next election where I come because of the devil you are going to vote for. The man said the tsunami a come and chew people like we there where I said, no sir, do God that a chew they don't know what go on. If you notice out I do overcast. And the man say, rain a go interrupt the election. Now them something that me personally not take that for granted. Me no care when nobody wants say. That a remind me say the atoms is alive and well and I pay attention and I hope say the people them stand up and defend nature. Stand up and defend nature, Jamaican people. We live in the middle of water. We live in the middle of water. We are sea people. That means to say we didn't naturally know how to survive. We never have no road to drive go Cuba nor Haiti. We special Jamaican people. Just show them no wake up back for me. They do. And I go change how I start talk to you now on IG. But me did want lend advice to the pastor. Because me also did turn a blind eye to him ignorance in terms of how he might get his message. But that's when me list him over and over again. Him have a God where I give him some specific message for some specific members of our governments. But that wasn't my motivation for sharing him. My motivation for sharing him was the element of nature where me come from and where me represent for. We say the earthquake them a go shake. And the tsunami and the weather and the rain we a go fall. And since him put out that the video when me put up rain a fall since the 1st of September. Me not care. You pray for yourself and check and tell me that.
All right, the Queen has spoken. And all I have to say is, reggae music, I will never let you down. That's my solemn vow as Daddy Reds, the reggae ambassador, and I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and show that you care. I'm out of here.